Hi, it's Emily from WTI. This is the ACOTHOT 4-inch self-inflating sleeping pad.
This ultra nice sleeping pad came with a ton of great features. One is this awesome stuff sack that also serves as an aid to help you inflate it. The instructions are built right in and attached. That is super useful. We bought the double size so that we could use it in our rooftop tent over our overlanding trailer. This mattress has 2 valves, both can be set to inflate and deflate mode. Now remember I told you about the stuff sack? Well, this stuff sack can actually be used to fill with air and then used to inflate the mattress. It can hurry along the self-inflate process by using a few bags of air. It only took a few seconds to inflate, and then it only took a few seconds to put the air inside the mattress each time. We had this fully inflated within about 5 minutes or so. And let me tell you, this is the most comfortable camping mattress I have ever slept on. It is thick and it is warm, but it's not going to be too hot at night. It's perfect for year-round temperatures. It's also the perfect size to put in your car. It doesn't have specific cutouts around the side panels, but what we found is that if you didn't inflate it quite as much and you put 2 people on the mattress, it really helped flatten it out and it was still very comfortable to sleep on. So if you're looking for something that will double in your car or in a tent, this double size is awesome.
And that's my point of view.